Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this, to your daily update on Bitcoin, of course. Enough to talk about. I mean, the markets yesterday were relatively quiet over the main part of the day. Today and overnight, they were a little bit more volatile, as you can see. But in general, I mean, right now, I am not even sure what the volume is. The volume actually did go up a little bit over the course of yesterday because of the markets opening. But obviously the US is still closed. I think it's Martin Luther King Day there. So that's still closed. So we're missing that volume, but in general, I do think we can start to see some moves, all right? And overnight was a little bit of a bearish move. Also technically a bearish breakout, but it was more of a fake out rather than a real breakout, because immediately after we broke back above our main support level, which is between 42,000 and 42,300. So what's next? All right, that's the big question, obviously, and right now it remains relatively unclear. I mean, the open interest, even though we've seen some volume getting into the markets, the open interest has been going up and down, but it's practically just going flat, right? There's a bit of an increase over the course of the last 2 hours, something like that. And in general, what I told you yesterday as well, the market on the short term is quite bearish, but there definitely is a chance at seeing some recovery here. Also, given the fact that the Bitcoin dominance right now is very, very low. Here you can see the Bitcoin dominance. That's at the same bottom we made the 28th of December. So given that level, I would say we can actually get some Bitcoin dominance back as well. Now, that doesn't need to happen. And in the end, the most important thing to look at is the technicals. Because I still stand with what I said yesterday. And I think technically right now, Bitcoin really is neither bullish nor bearish. I mean, if you zoom out, this just looks like one big consolidation with two fake outs. All right. So what I think we need to look at, and I would actually say it's more likely to get a little bit of bullish momentum here, is which one of these levels between 43,200 and 42,000 is going to break first. All right. So we're in this tiny level. At this moment, given the fact that we have dropped down quite a bit here, and I still think that fundamentally Bitcoin is not that weak, at least. So fundamentally, also given the fact that the open interest is slowly moving up right here, it seems most likely to me that we can actually get some recovery. But that would be a breakout above 43,200 and a continuation up to 44,500. And that's obviously pretty good, but that's not amazing. I mean, in general, you would still need to break above 44,500 to get a real rally, potentially up to 50,000. And that doesn't seem likely right now. And in general, like I said, purely technically, we're just waiting for either 43,250 or 42,000 to break. If for some reason, and that's definitely a possibility, it's a Monday, so today and tomorrow will still be volatile. If for some reason Bitcoin starts dropping, open interest drops down, volume stabilizes, and we drop down below 42,000, and I know some big analysts are waiting for this, so it's very much a possibility, then we're just going to drop down to 41 and 40,000. That's like, they're almost equal possibilities. I'm leaning towards the bullish scenario for the reasons I've given you. That I think fundamentally, and looking at the Bitcoin dominance, we have some more upside to us. And apart from that, the momentum, there's a bit of momentum growth right now. All right, so that's why I'm telling you, I think it's a little bit more likely to get a bit of bullish momentum. But at this moment, it seems unlikely we're going to get huge moves. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's something I'll have to check out. But those are my thoughts. So if you're interested in more from me, check out my premium and signal group. Valuable, profitable, but that's up to you. They'll be down in the description and the pinned comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.